Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to vanish a coin with just one hand. And out of all coin vanishing tutorials on my channel, this one is the most visual one and it happens really fast. Like in a blink of an eye, you can just vanish a coin from the sight of the spectator. And this coin vanishing technique is going to require a little bit amount of skill, which is okay because if you follow my entire tutorial, you'll be able to do this coin vanish real soon. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Adavani Sainath. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the coin vanish looks like. I have this coin made of solid metal and I'm actually going to vanish it by squeezing it into thin air with just one hand, and it looks just like this. So as you can see, I squeezed the coin and vanished it into thin air. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the coin back by just grabbing the coin from thin air, and I'm actually going to toss the coin onto my other hand and it actually comes back just like this. So this is how the coin vanish looks like, and let's see how you can do this coin vanishing technique. Okay guys, this is how you're going to do the coin vanish, and for doing the coin vanish, for this one, you have to know how to roll a coin across your knuckles, okay? And if you know how to roll a coin across your knuckles, then this won't even be a piece of cake for you. So you have to know how to roll a coin across your knuckles. But if you don't know, I have a tutorial for it, and the link to that tutorial will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that tutorial out if you need to. Now, after you have known how to roll the coin across your knuckles, first thing that you have to keep in mind is you're not wearing any ring on your index finger and your middle finger. Because if you're wearing ring on any of these two fingers, then if you clip the coin right over here, either the coin will make noise by striking with the ring, and the ring will actually keep these fingers a little bit apart, and the spectator will be able to see that the coin is hidden on the back of your palm. And this is what you're actually doing after vanishing the coin. You're actually rolling it to this position, okay? So that is how you're hiding the coin, and for that reason you cannot wear any ring on these two fingers. But now you have to vanish the coin, right? So for vanishing the coin, what you have to do is you have to hold the coin in this grip, okay? You have to hold the coin right along the center of your index finger and along the edge of your thumb, the edge that is towards you. You have to hold the coin just like that, and then you have to keep these three fingers curled just like this, so that when you roll the coin up to this point, these three fingers is going to guard that rolling, and the spectators won't see that rolling and they won't have a clue where the coin went. So all you have to do is you have to hold the coin just like this along the center of your index finger and towards the inner edge of your thumb, that means towards the edge that's towards you, and you have to keep these fingers curled upwards so that they guard the rolling up of the coin. And you also have to hold the coin right at this point where this side of the coin does not go out of these two finger points. So if you keep in a match just like this, if you keep a scale right over here between these two finger points, you will see that the coin is exactly with the two finger points. This side of the coin is exactly tallying with these two finger points, and you have to have the coin in that position. You can't have the coin in this position. You can have the coin in this position, but you can't have the coin outside just like this. You at least need to have the coin in this position where it actually tallies with these two finger points, this side of the coin. So you are going to hold the coin just like this, and you're going to keep it along the center of your index finger and towards the inner edge, or towards the edge that's towards you, of your thumb. So you have to hold the entire coin in this entire grip. So now what you're going to do is you're going to hold this coin along the spectator's eye level, okay? So let's say this is the spectator's face and you're going to hold this coin along their eye level. Let's say these two are his eyes and you're going to hold this coin just along their eye level, because if you hold it downwards or upwards, then they would see how the coin is vanishing, because this is an angle sensitive coin vanish. So make sure you just hold this coin along their eye level, and now what you're going to do is you're going to press these two fingers, you're going to squeeze these two fingers, and the coin will actually flip this side, okay? As you can see, the coin will flip this side, and from the front these two fingers are going to guard that flipping, and it would look like that the coin has actually vanished. So as you can see from this edge, the coin is visible because I can't actually rotate my hand fully, but from the front they will see that the coin is no more. There are just these two fingers that are rubbing and vanishing the coin into thin air. So this is the exact logic of vanishing the coin. You're holding the coin in such a way that the coin, if you press these two fingers, the coin would flip outside just like this, and it would go horizontal or parallel to the ground, and these two fingers would guard that from the spectator's point of view. So if I have to do it, if I have to flip the coin this side, then I would keep the coin on the outside of the thumb and on the center of the index finger, so that when I squeeze these two fingers, the coin actually goes that side, and from this side it actually looks vanished. So this is what the exact logic that I'm using. So after you vanish the coin, what you're going to do is you're going to keep on rubbing these two fingers, just like doing some magical gestures, and you're going to bring the coin afterwards just like this to this point, and then toss it upwards to the back of the index finger, and then as you clip this coin between your index finger and your middle finger, you're also going to turn your hand face up just like this to the face of the spectator. So let's say this is the spectator's face, and you're going to do the vanish, and then afterwards you're going to clip onto the coin just like this. Now you have to practice this move in front of a mirror, especially the point when you're actually clipping the coin and then you're opening the hand to show this side of the hand empty, because while you're clipping the coin and then turning your hand and opening the hand, these three movements are going to happen almost at the same time, and you need to keep in mind that the spectator won't be able to see the coin. So you need to practice that move so that while you're flipping the coin, clipping it and opening your hand, the spectator doesn't get a peek of the coin that it is actually at the back of your hand. So for that reason, you need to practice this in front of a mirror a couple of times before you can actually show this to a real spectator. So that's how you vanish the coin, and after you vanish the coin, you can also produce it back however you want to. I did a coin production in the performance, and I'll make a tutorial video on that later on, because that will have a quite big explanation. So that's it for today, and that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing coin vanishing technique, probably the best coin vanishing tutorial on my channel. And if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @shoelazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!